I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sellens tracking all of this wind across our state. We've got a storm system moving through. Most of the state staying dry, just a chance of a few spotty rain and snow showers, mainly north of I-40. More than anything else, though, across the state, you can see here winds have been and will be the biggest issue all through the evening forecast. We have high wind warnings and wind advisories posted across the state of Arizona till 11 o'clock tonight. These winds gradually backing off in the overnight hours, but picking back up again around the middle of the day tomorrow and through the afternoon. So as we look at Futurecast here, here's 11 p.m. At that point, winds starting to reduce, but still very breezy, if not windy, across all of Arizona. We head to about 10 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and you start to see those wind speeds pick up again, especially along I-40 and across eastern Arizona. Here in the valley, breezes kicking in by the late morning and midday forecast and getting very breezy in the afternoon hours. Sustained winds up to 20, maybe even 25 miles per hour, and gusts near 30 here tomorrow afternoon in the Phoenix metro area. Then we go into late tomorrow night, overnight hours into Wednesday, and that's really when we'll get some relief from all of this wind across the state of Arizona. So tomorrow, not only do we have to deal with the very breezy conditions, but it is going to be significantly cooler. We are tracking nearly a 20-degree drop in temperatures for tomorrow, and that's going to put us nearly 20 degrees below normal for this time of year. We're going to start things out in the 40s, 47 at 6 a.m., 51 at 9, 59 at noon, and then 60s in the afternoon forecast as those stiff breezes pick up here across the valley. Look for highs tomorrow at 63 in Scottsdale and Mesa, 62 in Queen Creek and Apache Junction, and 61 degrees in Santan Valley. In the West Valley, highs in the 60s out there as well, 64 in Levine and Avondale, 63 in Peoria, and Surprise for tomorrow afternoon. Across the state, lows tonight dipping down into the teens and 20s along the rim northeast of the Four Corners. Some really cold air spilling in with the cold front that is picking up all of those winds as it moves through our state this evening. Tomorrow afternoon, only 33 in Flagstaff, 37 in Heber, and 38 degrees in Show Low. So a big blast of cold air all across the state. Then this storm system clears on out of here, and we'll see a couple of more impact the west coast, but it looks like the storm track's going to stay too far to the north to bring those in later on this week. So instead, we're just tracking the next ridge of high pressure building in, bringing us the warmest temperatures of the year so far. Look at that forecast. First 90s of the year, Easter weekend.